Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a 10 top, 10 bottom, custom fitted teeth grill set. This one just finished for our customer. Shout out to the homie Smitty out in Texas. There you go. 10 top, 10 bottom. Beautiful grills, guys. This is solid 925 sterling silver. You see that shine in the middle? That's the diamond dust. Okay, and you got the white border around it. 10 on 10. It's available on our website, guys. blingcartel.com. Free shipping in the US. Free mold kit. Beautiful handmade work. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.